Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against a Chinese professional player on the internet. Yeah, it's the Fox the internet match and I'm handling white and my opponent is Chinese professional player. So we just started from now. Let's just start, and you know this is a 15 seconds Boyomi game, so that's why I will focus on my game, okay? Oh, he approached quite short, how to say, quite tight area. Then sorry.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Lower side fighting is the first thing which is very important. Until now was quite obvious.
하나, 둘, 셋.
There are many good places. Even yeah, this is also good place. Okay. Calm. Let's calm down.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘, 셋.
How is it? Is it similar?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Oh, interesting.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
오빠야,
응?
배달 시켰어.
나 지금 바둑 두고 있는데?
하나, 둘, 셋.
I am playing the game.
하나, 둘,
Sorry, just now. My wife asked me to get the dessert, which I order.
하나,
Yeah, I told her I'm playing the game now.
넷, 다섯.
Okay, it seems a little bit painful.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
Yep, that should be a good place.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
It seems a little bit concentrated. I really want to 하네.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
오케이.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 두 번 남았습니다.
Difficult.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 마지막입니다.
Finding one step next step is already hard.
둘, 셋, 넷.
It seems a bit weird, but I couldn't find a better move.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 두 번 남았습니다.
Calm down, calm down. Something was wrong, but calm down.
둘, 셋,
Calm down.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 넷, 하나, 둘, 셋, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 하나, 둘, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 마지막입니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘, 하나, 둘,
Isn't it too much?
넷,
Sorry, I'm too kind,
다섯,
right?
여섯, 일곱, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
Okay, he resigned. Thank you for the game. Oh, somehow. Okay, let me simply check with the AI. Press. Somehow, I don't know. Too slow. Too slow. It was similar. Suddenly get down a lot. Yeah, when I play this kind of move, it cannot be good for me. Seems I must honey there. What was wrong with me? Let me press this AI. Simply, what's your recommendation? Not too bad, but maybe after that I played wrongly. Wow, what is that? I cannot understand. Yeah, when he caught here, something white was in trouble. I think black was a bit too much. Yeah, I think Tenuki was so too much. I think black was supposed to play something here when I had the chance to attack, but still it wasn't easy for me. I think black was supposed to give up 2 stones. I think that was like, but still I'm not sure which move is losing move. Okay, but now black had a super overplay here. No, even though he plays here, I think the capturing race doesn't work. That's why he just resigned there. Okay, this game was good enough. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching for this video, then see you guys next time. Bye!